everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from It Cosmetics that I thought I would do an unboxing of with you guys. This is my first purchase from their website. You are beautiful, you are it. That's cute. Oh, how fun. I might keep that box and use it to send something to Katie. Okay, so it says your special gift, you are beautiful. And then I got some deluxe samples. And I got this bag, you are beautiful, you are it. I kind of feel like I've had a bag like this before. Discover it, love it, believe it. And it has the it on both sides and this. Honestly, that's not really my thing. I think I'll probably give that to Katie too, and she can do with it what she like. I mean, it's nice, but I just don't think I'll use it. And let's get into the good stuff. Wow. So I ordered two things. I ordered Confidence in a Compact and Naturally Pretty Eyeshadow Trio. So those are the two things that I ordered, and the rest of this was free samples or freebies with whatever I had gotten here. So let's go over what I ordered first. This is Pretty in Smoke, and it is anti-aging and skin loving. And this is what it looks like. Oh, well, that's neat. There's a little compact down here with little applicators. Huh. And then on this side, which I can't open, there we go, is the eyeshadow. So those are very pretty. I actually ordered this before I had gotten some other that Jess gave me. So I probably, I mean, I don't need any eyeshadow right now for sure. But, oh, I like that a lot. Oh, that blends beautifully. I like that. Very pretty. And it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, which I also like. So that's nice. And then this is what I already have, I believe. I hope. That's what I thought it was. Oh, there's a little free sample in here. Yes, this is what I already have that I use my brush to apply. And it says, firmly swirl brush or sponge into product to activate solid serum. So I'm not going to open this yet because I don't need it quite yet, but I just wanted to make sure I didn't run out. So there is a mirror here, and then it does come with a sponge. I have not used the sponge. I always use a brush, but yeah, this is exactly what I wanted, so that's great. And then it looks like it came with a Confidence in a Cream anti-aging moisturizing super cream. So that's neat. I don't think I'm going to keep these boxes because I'll just throw them away upstairs if I don't throw them away down here, so I may as well, huh? And this is CC Cream with SPF 50. It's got you covered. Delivers 7 products in one, it says. Full coverage foundation, SPF 50, physical only sunscreen, brightening color correction, anti-aging, pore minimizing, dark spot corrector, and moisturizing day cream. Wow. It's available in 5 shades, and it comes in the shade medium, which I think is their best seller. I think that's what it said online. So that's kind of nice. Oh, and here's that, like, here's her real and real results. And there are the 5 skin tones that it comes in. And this one is Bye Bye Under Eye. Smooths, brightens, depuffs your under eye. So apply in the morning or at night, gently smoothing all around your eye area. You'll see powerful results instantly and over time. So that's kind of neat, and it gives you kind of a lot in here. And then, goodness gracious, I feel like I got a lot. This is the CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. Is that what this is? Yeah, so I think that I got a sample of that, and then I got, and this is in the color medium, and then I got a little package of that. Well, how neat. I don't know, maybe there's a bigger one because it looks like this one has a pump bottle and this one is just a little tube, but still very nice. I'm excited. And then look at this. This is Bye Bye Redness. Real and real results. So that's kind of neat. They had a thing where you could pick three different samples, and then you also could pick, if you spent I think $45, you could also pick a sample pack of things that you liked, and I think that's where I got this stuff. I think I picked the sample of this stuff. So there it is. It doesn't really have a smell. So this one's for redness and this one's for under eye. Very nice though. Their products are really good. And this one is Miracle Water 3 in Glow Tonic. Again, no real smell. It brings your skin to life. 3-in-1 Glow Tonic instantly transforms your skin and maximizes the results of your skincare routine. Infused with secret sauce fermented complex to increase absorbency and improve the efficiency of your moisturizers and serums, this lightweight, no-rinse treatment combines your skin brightening radiance booster to help balance and boost radiance, your potent anti-aging treatment essence to diffuse the look of lines and wrinkles, plus your skin softening macular cleanser to gently remove makeup and impurities. Perfect for even the most sensitive skin. It gives you truly miraculous results. Well, at first I was thinking it sounded like it was something that you used but then now I'm thinking you might use it after, like when you're cleaning up your face. Use this innovative Glow Tonic morning and evening after cleansing or in place of your cleanser to purify, hydrate, and transform your skin. Saturate a cotton pad and gently sweep it onto the face and cleanse and remove makeup and impurities for younger, healthier looking results. Do not rinse. Follow with your favorite IT cosmetic moisturizer or serum. Well, there we go. So that's pretty cool. Miracle Water. Their packaging is really pretty and neat. It's kind of cool how everything is packaged a little bit differently. If I was really feeling creative too, I would keep some of this packaging and reuse it for something, but honestly, I'm not feeling it, so I'm not. And that's not it. Here is Confidence in a Compact. It looks like I'm getting a sample of that too, which is great, because then maybe I can take it, you know, if I'm going on a small trip or something. Oh, it even gave you a little brush. How neat. So I don't know how you do it. I guess you, oh, here, I guess you open it up this way and get out the stuffs. And then you just open this up and use That and then the brush, so, or the pad if you wanted to, or you could use your brush. Well, that's really nice. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that when my other one really is run out, I will just stick this right inside here like this and be able to still use it. And let's see, is this in the color medium? It probably is. It seems like they do that. Oh, this one is for sun. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Well, I guess they all are. Yes, medium. They have a new brush, skin smoothing complexion brush. And it's $48. I don't know, that's pricey to me for a brush. Of course, the brush that I have from them is pricey too, but I do like the stuff, and I mean, it seems to work really well, so yeah. And it's cool that I got so many samples. I mean, seriously, I just bought 2 things and I got all this stuff. So that's always fun. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.